Good morning, children. Let us start with the second chapter, physical quantities and measurement. First, let me define what is a physical quantity. A physical quantity is a quantity or a phenomena which can be measured with an instrument or can be calculated accurately. Okay? Any quantity which can be calculated accurately or can be measured with the help of an instrument or can be calculated accurately is termed as a physical quantity. So most of the terms in physics which you have learnt last year are all physical quantities such as mass, weight, density. All these things you have had a basic idea of it last year, right? It is expressed as a combination of numerical value and a unit. For example, if I consider mass, a stone of mass, say 1.5 kg, then 1.5 is its numerical value and kg is its unit. So, mass is a physical quantity. Similarly, length, the distance from your house to school, we measure it in kilometers, say 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers, 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers. So length is a physical quantity as it can be measured with an instrument, and this gives the numerical value and kg gives the unit. Mass we have learnt earlier as well. Last year you have learned what is the mass of a substance, what is the weight of a of matter. So mass is the, I'll just repeat it. Mass is the quantity of matter it contains, and volume is the amount of a space occupied by a substance. Volume is the amount of a space occupied by a substance. For fluids, that is for liquids and gases, it is the amount of a space which the container can hold. The amount of a space which the container can hold for liquids and gases. Now, some points to note here. Equal masses of different substances have different volumes. If two substances have the same mass, they may have different volume. Two substances of same mass, for example, iron and cotton, of 1 kg mass, will they not have different volumes? The iron, now the piece of iron which is of mass 1 kilo is more compact, occupies lesser volume than 1 kilogram of cotton. It will be a big heap of cotton. So even if the masses of two substances are same, they may have different volumes. Just now I gave you an example. This means that iron, the molecules in iron is more compactly packed than that of cotton, or iron is considered denser than cotton. In other words, iron is considered denser than cotton. Okay, this one will be denser. Now the second one, equal volumes of different substances have different masses. You can just, the same example, you can take it in the reverse order. Take equal volume of iron and equal volume of cotton. Say equal volume, so 20 centimeter cube of iron and 20 centimeter cube of cotton. They will have different masses, right? The volume of cotton will be more, whereas a volume of iron will be less. And when we take the masses for equal volumes, their volumes will be even if they have the same volume, their masses will be different. All right. the mass of iron could be say the 20 grams, and the mass of cotton would be around 10 grams or 5 grams. So with this mass and volume of a substance, we come to the density of a substance. The density of a substance is defined as its mass per unit volume. So D is equal to M by V, where M is the mass of the substance and V is its volume. Now, density is equal to mass of the substance by volume of the substance. To get the unit of density, we are to divide the unit of mass by the unit of volume of the substance. Now, unit of density, there are two system of units. One is called the MKS system and the other one is called the CGS system. MKS system is also known as SI system or a standard international system. In MKS system, unit of density is mass is measured in kg and volume in meter cube. So kg per meter cube. This is read as kg per meter cube or kg m minus 3. And in CGS system, the unit of density will be, in CGS system, unit of density is grams per centimeter cube, or it can be written as GCM minus 3. Grams per centimeter cube, or it can be written GCM minus 3. Now, you may be wondering, what is this MKS system and CGS system? If you have learnt last year, good. Otherwise, MKS system, and here I have CGS system. In MKS system, M stands for meter, K stands for kilogram, and S stands for seconds. These are the fundamental units of length, mass, time. This is the unit of length, is the unit of mass, is the unit of time. Length, mass, and time are the fundamental units. All the units of other physical quantities such as density, whatever you come across, force, momentum, there are several such physical quantities which you will come across. The units of these physical quantities are based on the fundamental units of fundamental physical quantities, that is of length, mass, and time. And in MKS system, unit of length is meters, unit of mass is kilogram, and unit of time is seconds. M for meter, K kilogram, S seconds. Similarly, in CGS unit, C centimeter, G grams, S seconds. Now let us see the how the two units, the equivalence of the two units, kg per meter cube and grams per centimeter cube. Let us start with 1 kg per meter cube. 1 kg is 1000 grams, so 1000 in the numerator, and 1 meter cube, as 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, so 100 into 100 into 100 centimeter cube. I have converted kg per meter cube into grams per centimeter cube. So the 3 zeros cancels. We are left with 3 zeros in the denominator, which is 10 to the power minus 3 grams per centimeter cube. Or this can be written as 1 grams per centimeter cube. If I take this as 1 grams per centimeter cube, 10 to the power minus 3, I'll be dividing it by 10 to the power minus 3, which will go to the numerator and will be positive. So 1 grams per centimeter cube will be 1000 kg per meter cube. You must have done such conversions in mathematics in exponents. Okay, 1 grams per centimeter cube, 10 to the power minus 3 will come to the denominator, and 10 to the power minus 3 when brought to the numerator will be 10 to the power 3. So 1 grams per centimeter cube is 1000 kg per meter cube. So this is the first part, just the introductory part of the second chapter, physical quantity and measurement, in which we are to study about density. All right. Thank you.